So I'm here up at the University of Utah, and I thought maybe I would just do just a portrait of a tree. Just have a few minutes. I don't have a whole lot of time, but beautiful tree in the sun over here, and I'm painting very small 5x7. So yeah, thought I'd do a quick portrait of a tree and see if I can get some of that light. All right, here we go. Well, I had a great time painting this little tree. Off there in the distance, you can see it. Just wanted to try and get just sort of the general shape. I'm painting pretty small, so still working on, trying to get areas of shadow and light, and just get the basic structure filled in, and then maybe go back in a little later and tighten it up. Yeah, I changed all the foreground, of course. I'm in this big park, and so I didn't want to get all detail-y with all these other trees and stuff. But actually, I'm on the campus of the University of Utah. But it sure is nice to get out and just practice this art. And I figured I better stop here before I start to make it all mud. Let it dry a little bit, and maybe just call it a day, or maybe play with it a little bit more.